Hello and welcome back to some Jurassic World Evolutions. Well, this part will get the Notosaurus. I don't care, we will. We just will. I also don't know why I'm showing the little dinosaur eat meat while I'm talking about the Notosaurus. It's not a reference to anything, don't worry guys. We're not gonna make them be eaten. Or get them eaten. Wouldn't be nice from me. Wouldn't be nice from me. Okay, how far are we? 82%. Not bad, not bad. Only did 90. I mean, this... Let me see. A 1 star gets me like a percent. A 2 star gets me 2 to 3%, I think. Because a 3 star would get me... 4. Probably 2%. And then the 3 star gets me 4. And then the 5 or 4 star gets me... I don't even know how much. A lot. Let's just say a lot. So one more time that they are going away and then coming back with some nice things for us. I also wouldn't mind building another enclosure because we have one here, and I'm pretty sure that we will need even more. Which I thought about right here is like a pretty place. I can even go or make it go like back here. Like depends on how far the island goes. Yeah, make it go back here, and I think just get a few herbivores left there. I wouldn't mind that in the slightest. And then we can actually use our little towers and then put here a few towers here and there, and then make it look over here and over there, and then we have a gallery around here, a door so our rangers can go in, stuff like that. Okay, they're back in a sec, so I think we're gonna construct this one as well. Or well, as long as the budget is enough. I think I'm also gonna use the light fences instead of the crazy good ones. There. Get rid of some nature because why not? There. Okay. Oh my god, okay, yeah. That's a lot of space. Okay, yeah, Fossil Center. I think I just got the money back that I got rid of. Okay, with these two we're definitely at 90%. But I'm still gonna send them out again. But maybe get some from this place. Oh, I could have done from this place. There are a lot of stuff here as well. A lot of dinos. There. That's fine. I'm just gonna build this little enclosure while waiting a little bit. But yeah. Yeah. Then we can see how far we can make this go. Because we can make it go back here. Like this. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that. And we will need one more of these. And make it look straight. Like that. Boop. And boop. Even though it's right in front of it, it will definitely still work. Put it here. I don't know how this works without power, but I'm gonna leave it to it. If it wants to work without power, I'm not gonna be the person saying that it's not allowed. Like this. And then bring Release a leave a little gap. Like this. Like that. There. Okay, I'm gonna leave the door for now, but I think this for herbivore is amazing. It's gonna be great. Okay, they're returning. Hopefully they brought me some good fossils because I kinda got a little overboard and ran out of money. Yeah. Last one. And 209,000. Yeah, they brought me some stuff. Let's sell these two for now. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go here. So it's 209,000 and I'm going for it. So now we're gonna actually have our little Notosaurus. I'm kind of happy about that. And probably make him a little friend as well. Because they will need it. And we have it. The Notosaurus. Oh my god. Hello, pretty. Oh my god, look how pretty. Oh my god. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Releasing this advanced dinosaur is good and all, but only if
Do
I
you
can
friends?
get folks to see it.
Oh. Yeah, you definitely need friends.
Isla Muertes
Good that I made
Entertainment
another
Division is
one.
excelling because of you. So you're getting a reward and everything.
Thank you. Oh, look at them. This is the Alphine color.
Increased income gives us more flexibility for our research. Thanks.
They're so pretty.
Here we have a
Okay, we need one more and more for
a
us.
member of the ceratopsian family. It
Okay.
sports horns above
No,
its eyes,
more, not
not
less.
unlike our modern cattle.
How is it looking? Forest is good now. They need another friend though. Yes,
I know
yes,
you're
it's
busy.
fine. Just let me
This
make
opportunity
another
is just too
dino.
good to pass
Jesus.
up.
They're gonna make speed. Because if they're gonna be the first dinos that are gonna escape this, gotta make another Alphine one. Wait, let me modify it a little more. I got money. Okay. I want to keep the lifespan is the problem. It's my biggest problem, I think. Fence. And I want a resilience and for the fence. Not gonna get too old, but that's okay. Okay, release Triceratops with 31 defense. Okay. Yeah, comfort is going down massively already. Now I'm kind of nervous about it. Even as Mambus is like, oh damn, this dude is mad. Little toucan. Oh, you're alpha? Cute. Let me give you names. So you're the normal one, right? The basic one, yes. Your name's gonna be Rosie. And then there is you're the first Alphine one. You'll kind of look like a little dude. So let's name you. You're gonna be. Oh, oopsie. gonna be ocean. So we got little ocean. We got Rosie. And then we wait for the next one. Hopefully they won't kill anyone until then. But they're so goddamn pretty. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to welcome in this super
Social is
to
good.
the park.
Yeah, they needed a lot of friends. Okay. Your name's gonna be... How about... Orchid. Orchid. Yeah, I like that. Chin and Rosie. I love this. Okay, you guys are gonna go back here. Oh yeah, I got something new. Oh, a toy shop. Can I place it down anywhere? Yes, right here. I just saw it. It was possible just a second ago. Come on, dude. Come on.
Ladies and gentlemen, our weather forecast has been updated. Storm warning level has been raised.
It was possible a second ago.
Bad weather makes for mad dinosaurs.
Yeah.
And we're in for a boatload of it.
In response to the adverse weather, we've taken unstable conditions have passed.
Put it down there. I know it was possible. It just showed it was terrain, building, terrain, building construction, terrain, building construction. Because of that thing, because of this thing. Right here. Let me put it down quick. Put my toy shop down happy. Oh, and suddenly that's in the way, huh? Of course. And the terrain is apparently bad there. Yeah, it's basically impossible to place right now. Just gonna put this back into place. And then we are gonna open this.
Or shelter until the conditions have passed.
And I'm gonna drive around with the vehicle. Oh no, I can just that fast. There. Yeah. And then we're good. Did they like add tasks or anything? Nope, apparently not. Apparently that's something that's not possible.
You need to give dinosaurs the right environment if they're going to thrive.
They have the right environment, they just don't have food right now. Which is gonna be topped up in a second, so stop crying, Claire. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for any inconvenience experienced during our recent handling of anomalous events.
They're already on the way, or should be at least. Yep, they're already on the way. Okay, so gift shop. I want a gift shop. Toy gift store. Toy shop. Tell me I have no space anywhere to put this down. Obstructed. Put it down here. Put it down right here. That's what I'm gonna do for now. Because this is literally my only option. Okay, how does it look? I think they were complaining around here that they had no fun. Or nothing fun, or food, or water. Oh no, they're actually calmed down. These guys are a little hungry right here. Even though the shop is... oh, the shop is full. Never mind then. Can I put it down next to it? Damn, how far away do I have to put it? What? If I do it like this? Basically just straighten it out. Yeah, now it's working properly. Just have to straighten it out. Put it a little further away. Like that. And get like this down. Like this. And connect it with this. Okay guys, if you fly that helicopter, just don't fly into that.
This
And
latest
sure, no
contract
gets
is a little
dealt by
unexpected,
carnivore for
but
5
I'm
minutes.
sure you'll rise to the
Okay.
challenge.
Like, can you fail like challenges like that? Is my question now. Oh, damn boy. Dinosaurs, Sturgeomimus, snake fossils. I find it really cool. There's this and 2 Triceratops fossils. Sounds good. Sounds very, very good. Okay, I wanted to see if we have any research we can do. No fossils, no skin, maybe like this. Medical is good. This is fine. Okay. Give me that schedule because I need it. Okay. Okay, I can make this work now. Okay. Landscape. Let's straighten everything out first. I think. Or for now a little bit. Like that. Because it can go right here. And then there's gonna be one deeper than that. Doesn't want to come out too much. It's like a whole ass hill. Yeah, this comes a little higher. Now I can smooth the whole thing out. Like that. This part as well, unless... and then this one goes even deeper. Just doesn't go that deep. Like this. It's not even bad if it, like, look down. You just see more if you look down. Here. Straighten the whole thing out again. Yeah, it's a little straighter now. I like this a little more. Okay. Oh my god, smoothing it out takes so long if it's not like huge. There we go. Here we go. Need some water. There. And like this.
Man, you really know how to put on a show. That's what I call star power.
Apparently I do.
Wow! If I was easy to impress, you'd be doing it with these numbers.
Ooh. Okay, some forest here. Some forest down here. A little bit here, there, and here. And there. Let me do these. I would almost say let's put a little more water on this bit. Like that. And then make everything full of this grass. And, you know, it wouldn't be me.
You
if
rose
I
to the
wouldn't put
challenge.
a little bit
That
of these
takes
in it.
commitment.
There. And a little sand. And a little more sand. I love that the sand is like an option in this game. Just makes everything look so much better. And now we got a new enclosure. As easy as that. Let me see. Yep. Everything's pretty visible as well. Here too. There also. Amazing view. Amazing. Great. So I think I'm gonna get another normal Nodosaurus. Like this. Send these guys out and get me some of these two fossils. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And then research. They're available. Nope, that was not the research center. Here. They're available. Upgrades. Because we have the schedule on both ones now. I'm gonna go for accuracy.
Another
Build, connect, power, and
contract.
ACU center. I
Might
have
as
an
well
ACU
give it a
center now.
look, right?
Do I not have an ACU center? I don't have an ACU center. What? This is awkward. ACU. It's a little bit awkward. There we go. I did not know that I did not have an ACU. This one right here. Just gonna put it there. So yeah. But I'm gonna put it in here because yeah, I don't know. I don't even know why. Just because. Ah. Pretty sure that I put it there. Ah, look at the little one.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to welcome a new Triceratops to the park.
Another win for the science division, thanks to you. Here's a reward for you. It's for your exceptional work on Isla Muerta.
your name is gonna be Tree Bark. Because why not? Yeah, okay, I hope the forest will be enough for them on the other side. And here. Not speed. Aha, here. At least 2 more. No power. Are you kidding? Okay. New power station. Apparently I can't build here because nothing works. Apparently I can't build here because nothing works. Of course it doesn't. Why would it? Put it back here. Okay. We're gonna make this differently. I'm gonna do this. Because now it should be possible. And wow, it is. Terrain is so bad on this island as well. Like, it couldn't be worse. Is what I feel like. It couldn't be worse. Or I was just never on the worst island. That's also possible. So here, you are gonna get 2 schedules from me. So you're gonna get 1 reload speed, an accuracy, and at least 2 more schedules. Thank you. Now, you're gonna go get these 2 or these 4 beauties. The rosy, orchid, tree bark, and ocean. Get those 4. We're gonna put them over into this bed. What I forgot is that they will need to eat, so I'm gonna put some food down. Like that. Okay, I'm also gonna get a new contract for the entertainment division.
Knock,
Successfully
knock.
incubate the
Who's
dinosaur.
there?
Okay,
New
that's easy.
contract. That's it. Period.
Okay, jeez. Calm your butt. Teleport. 1.
Heading to pick up the asset.
2.
Acknowledging asset collection request.
It's gonna be the next. They're all panicking, all running into the forest. Kind of cute that they're actually hiding and knowing where the danger is coming from. 3.
Collecting asset.
And where's the last little guy? You? It must be here. If he's turning like that, then it must be here. I'm kind of very sure.
Asset being transported.
Right here. And put them over here.
En route to pick up the asset.
Yep, they're gonna spawn in pretty well. Then we're gonna get the Triceratops. Yes. And yes, and yep, keep that one. Go. Go, go, go.
Asset transportation underway.
With a defense of 31, it has a defense of 42. That's good. I mean, successfully incubating stuff is not even hard right now. Like, because of the boosters. This. Ankylosaurus and Corythosaurus. I also really want an Ankylosaurus. They're like one of my favorites.
Asset delivery confirmed.
Okay. Your friends are coming. Yes, yes, yes. He's like, what the fuck are they doing with
Asset
tree bark?
transportation complete.
And what the hell is Rosie doing there still?
Delivery has been completed.
And perfect. Grassland, forest, wetland population and social is amazing. And we got a little Tracy now.
I wasn't sure about this one, but you delivered.
And I'm gonna deliver again with this little Tracy. Oh, this is dinosaur instantly. And I already got a little name for you.
Ladies and
You're gonna
gentlemen,
be...
we are pleased to
I've
welcome
reported your success up the chain of command. Well done.
Oh, they were just ill. Hello? Ankylosaurus
We
Velociraptor
worked so well together in the past.
and the
I thought I'd give you a
Dilophosaurus.
chance to do it again. Get in on this one.
I hate the idea of Velociraptors, Isaac. Especially on an island like this.
Body count. All sorts of ways you can take that phrase, especially here on
I'm
the
here, the
islands.
little guy.
But I'm talking about warm bodies in the park, you know? I guess we could say head count, but I'm not sure that's really any better.
And once we heal
Attendance
them,
numbers then.
we're gonna say our goodbyes.
You're in? Cool, cool. Okay, we'll start at the beginning. New
I
dinos.
think I have to.
Incubate them, hatch them, and house them. You know the drill.
There we go.
Hey, everybody, we're putting on a show. It's going to be a spectacle hundreds of millions of years in the making. Sorry you may not survive.
May not survive. Okay. I think we're gonna do that challenge in the next episode. So thank you for watching. And we are gonna see us in the next one. Bye bye.